What's up and welcome to our channel, Mr. and Mrs. Delicious. Today is fabulous. We're making the Cheesy Gordita Crunch with Doritos for the crunch. Cheesy Gordita Crunch. Look at it. Wow. Oh, look at it. I can feel the crunch. Look at the cheese. Look at that cheese. Ooh. Wow. That is nice. Okay, so let's just get started. Today's video is just gonna be, a little bit of winging it and a little bit of just enjoying it, having a good time. So I'm gonna start our beef going in here. We're gonna go back and look at the footage of the cheesy, crunchy Gordita Crunch. It's just gonna be amazing. I got all the hot sauce today, so I'm really excited about that. Why isn't this turning on? Let's try something else here. Okay, so we got our convection plate here. I'm gonna put that on. I got the beef in the pan. I'm gonna put that on nice and low at about 2 or 3 and let it simmer. So first thing I need to do here is get my tortillas. It's only Emily and I eating tonight. So I'm gonna make fresh tortillas. Got my flour. I'm gonna mix some salt in there. Then I'm gonna mix the salt in while it's still dry. We don't need yeast. We do not need yeast for these tortillas, which is awesome because it just makes them easier to make and one less thing to buy. So we're gonna spread this out. I'm gonna make a nice patty like this. I'm gonna spread this out, just less than half a cup of water. And you know what? Forgot to mix the oil in. So we're gonna mix that in there. And this is how you do this. Mix that in a little bit. It's good, nice warm water. Then we're gonna take this, and keep getting flour from the edges. Try to make sure you don't lose any out here. Oh my God, something's coming out. Dry that up while we can. Okay, then we just work that on the inside. Keep adding some more to it. Keep working that in as we go. Try not to let any spill out. And eventually it'll be all worked in. And we have a nice time lapse here of me just doing this. So I'm still working the tortillas here. A little bit of fresh flour here. That's perfect. A little bit of dry, fresh, clean flour. Just take away any little bit of stickiness. Yeah, let's check out this ground beef. Coming along well. Coming along nice. I'm just gonna leave that in there. Beautiful. Beautiful. The more you knead it, the better it is. Bada bada tingo, bada bada bingo. That's what I'm feeling like. Oh, bada bada bingo, bada bada tingo. That's how I feel when I'm making dough. I can't really describe it, but I'm really excited. Okay, so take our dough balls. I made enough here for about 4 tortillas. Because, these tortillas are pretty filling. So don't make them too big. And we're making the Gordita Crunch today. Woo! You know what, actually? I'm gonna take this. Got our 4 doughs right there. I'm gonna take a little break. We're having Doritos. Flamin' hot Doritos. The Cheesy Gordita Crunch. And I'm a little bit lazy. And I don't want to have to fry this. I'll fry it in the pan, but I'm gonna keep it as a soft shell. But the inside, the crunch, is gonna come from these Doritos. Flamin' hot. That one's curved, so don't worry. God, yeah. Me and Doritos, yeah, we're good friends. Ask anybody, I swear to God, we're the best friends. Me and Doritos, for sure. This beef, God, maybe we're not good friends. Holy Christ. It was like a knife in the throat. Yeah, it was. It really was. Look at this. The beef is coming along nicely. Yeah, we're just gonna let that simmer still because she was a little bit frozen. We're gonna get our tortillas ready. I'm gonna try and make them as round as possible because we're trying to make an authentic tortilla. So I try and make them round. make them all around my thumbs first, a little bit. Okay, one at a time there. So I'll use this wine, Bodacious Red, really nice. I had to have a little drink. Red wine while you're cooking is just absolutely amazing. This is a little sip. Oh, that's incredible. Okay. Now, we're gonna work on flattening these babies out. They look all right, except for this one's not really too round. So we try and make them as round as we can here. Take a nice look at this beef. Yeah. Get in there, yeah. Look at this nice beef. Just frozen, but it's coming along just perfect. Okay. We're gonna keep that at 2. So I'm gonna have a tomato, vine ripe, fresh, beautiful tomato like this. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that. I love these tomatoes. They're small and they just have a beautiful texture to them. Okay, beautiful. Beef is cooking. And what the fuck are we doing here? Okay, we're at 3. So this is our homemade taco seasoning. You can find the seasoning in the video down below. Click the link. It's amazing homemade taco seasoning. Most likely, if you cook a little bit, you're gonna have most of the ingredients already in there. It's delicious, homemade taco seasoning. Check out the video. I'm gonna put a couple sprinkles in the beef here. We'll go 3. I like it heavy on the taco seasoning. Oops. Like it heavy on the taco seasoning there. I'm gonna give that a quick mix around. Now, what else do we need? We got the beef, we got the lettuce, got all the fixins. Oh yeah, my favorite ingredient. We're gonna go with a little bit of Tabasco sauce. Big surprise. Throw some of that in there too. You know, tacos are just one of my favorite meals, and they've always been growing up my entire life. Love tacos, love nachos, love all that stuff. So I really had to take the Gordita Crunch to the whole nother level. The Doritos Gordita Crunch. I was just craving tacos, and this is an epic meal to have, something that you're never gonna forget. And just look at this, you know, I'm blown away. I'm blown away. So I'm gonna get these back in the oven. We're gonna make our crunch. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay, we're gonna go with this one. Oh, ooh. We get those Doritos set in place, right? No problem. Then we bring our garlicky taco meat. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right across the top, whipped cream, I was gonna say. Whipped cream probably wouldn't be too bad. Bring our beautiful salsa. A little bit of that. Onions. Evenly placed across the entire thing. Beautiful. Tomatoes. A little bit of lettuce on there. The Cheesy Gordita Crunch. Wow, look at that. Ooh, yeah. You just hear the crunch. Make sure to subscribe right down there and turn your little bell on for the notifications. And we'll see you next time. This is Mr. Delicious signing out.